Holding the fort. Understanding a classic English phrase. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a fascinating expression. Hold the fort for me. It's a phrase you might come across in both professional and personal contexts, so understanding its meaning and usage is key to mastering English. Let's explore what it means, its origins, and how you can use it in your daily conversations. The phrase, hold the fort, is used to ask someone to take responsibility or manage affairs in your absence. It conveys trust and reliance, indicating that the person being asked is capable of maintaining the current situation until the requester returns. This can apply to various scenarios, from managing a store, overseeing a project, or even taking care of household duties. Understanding the origins of phrases can make them much easier to remember. Hold the fort has a military background, where it originally meant to defend a position against attacks in the commander's absence. Over time, its use expanded beyond the military, capturing the idea of maintaining control or keeping things running smoothly in any context, not just during a battle. Knowing when and how to use this phrase can greatly enhance your English communication skills. Here are a few examples. In a professional setting, I have to step out for a meeting. Can you hold the fort for me until I get back? At home or with friends, I need to run some errands. Could you hold the fort here and watch the kids? These examples show how versatile the phrase is, fitting seamlessly into various scenarios where someone needs to rely on another to manage affairs temporarily. Hold the fort is more than just a phrase. It's a trust exercise between two parties, be it colleagues, friends, or family members. We hope this video has illuminated its meaning, origins, and practical use in everyday English. By understanding and using expressions like this, you're one step closer to fluency. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language.